sip and serve with Russells. Let's start by taking a look at the ingredients. Today, we're making a simple yet elegant appetizer, cheese prawn. Start by heating a pan and adding 1 spoon of butter. Swirl the butter around until it's fully melted and aromatic. Place 2 prawns into the pan and let them fry for a short while, just until lightly golden. Once done, take the prawns out and keep them aside. Now take a slice of bread and cut it into perfect circles using a sharp, round cutter. Apply butter generously to the bread circles. Toast them in the pan until lightly crisp and golden. Slice the gherkins into thin, even pieces. Cut the cheese slices into equal-sized squares. Now it's time to assemble. Place a square of cheese on top of the toasted bread. Layer it with gherkin slices for a tangy crunch. Top it off with the fried prawns. Secure everything together using a toothpick. Add a touch of fresh parsley leaves. Finish with soft waves of cream for an elegant look. Slice an olive and place it on top of the toothpick. And finally, add a pinch of pepper to bring it all together. Arrange everything neatly on a small plate. Simple, stylish, and full of flavor. Cheese prawn, ready to serve.